Hello, you're watching Proactive. Here's a look at some of the stories we've been covering in the resources sector this past week. Atome has signed a major offtake deal with Yara for its green fertilizer project in Paraguay. The 10-year agreement covers 100% of output, giving Atome guaranteed revenue before the site's even built.
The next few weeks are going to be all about, let's call it financial engineering, and helping these institutions to get through their investment committees, their credit committees, their boards, in order for us to get to final investment decision and then start construction, because the site is now ready to build and the contractors are ready to go.
Foresight Solar Fund posted solid half-year results and says it's staying cash strong. It's putting another £10 million into its share buyback plan and continues to increase dividends every year.
The share price discount to NAV continues to be too wide, broadly saying. We believe it's severely undervaluing a portfolio with a proven track record. We've committed to doing everything possible to shrink that discount, and that's what we'll continue to do.
Empire Metals is stepping up at its titanium project in Western Australia. It's brought in a marketing manager and is now producing 99% titanium dioxide in lab tests.
We're incredibly well positioned. Tier 1 location, Western Australia, the world's largest titanium discovery. Circle back, we've just put another great team member into what is already building a fabulous team here in Australia to get this project through to feasibility into a financial decision to go forward in mind.
MP Evans reported a 50% jump in operating profit thanks to higher palm oil prices and a better crop mix. It's raised the dividend by 20% and says trading remains strong.
It's going very well. So prices have remained very firm, which is excellent news. And we're very enthusiastic about how things are going through the second half so far.
ACG Metals reported $36 million in EBITDA and says its Turkish copper and zinc expansion is on time and on budget. It's also producing gold and has boosted its US market presence.
Currently producing gold and transitioning to the production of copper concentrate and zinc concentrate, but gold will continue to be a significant addition to our revenues at Gediktepe mine in Turkey, because as a part of the copper concentrate will continue to produce about 15 to 20,000 ounces of gold.
Rome Resources delivered high-grade tin, copper and zinc from its Montagoma project in the DRC. A maiden resource estimate is coming soon, and deeper drilling is also now planned.
The long-term, the macro picture for tin is still pretty good, and that's reflected in the supply and demand at the moment. There's always supply issues here, there and everywhere. But the demand continues to grow.
Follow us and subscribe on YouTube, our social channels, and on proactiveinvestors.co.uk.